In a world where we spend an average of 7 hours per day on our mobile phones and see a growing demand of supplementary parking services, for example EV charging, last-mile integration, and contactless parking solutions, Scheidt Bachmann introduces a new smart web service. Entervo Smart Web Pay offers the possibility to let customers pay in a highly secured web environment just by scanning a QR code on their ticket or QR code centralized in your parking. Even late payment with barrierless parkings is integrated in this new smart parking solution. No additional hardware, customer app installation, or reconfiguration of your parking tariff structure is needed. Just add the entervo Smart Web Pay solution to your parking and let your parking users have an even more flawless customer journey. Contact one of our sales representatives near you and join us into a future of smart parking solutions.